Good morning, friends. This is Jagdale. You are watching my channel Take a Stew. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to watch how skillfully a Mistri corrects wrongly fitted kitchen sink. You can see at the back side, gap is only 2 inches and in the front it is 9 inches, due to which the person cleaning utensils was getting back pain. That's why this Mistri has to shift this sink at least 6 inches in the front. So let us start the video and watch how skillfully this Mistri does it. Normally, sink is fitted on kadappa and then mixture of cement and sand is put over it, and then a granite is placed above it. Now he has taken measurements and started cutting up the granite first. After cutting up granite, now Mistri is trying to remove the piece of granite from the place. After removal of the granite piece, Mistri is trying to remove the sand and all unwanted things so that he can reach out to Kadappa to cut it. Kadappa is now visible. He has started cutting up the Kadappa now. Slowly trying to remove the Kadappa piece which he has cut. After removal of cut piece of Kadappa, now he is cleaning and removing the burr so that kitchen sink can be pushed in the forward direction. At last, Mistri has succeeded in pushing the kitchen sink in the forward position and placed it at required place. Now you can see there is around 6 inches gap backside of the sink. To fill up this gap, he has cut 2 pieces of granite and kadappa and is trying to fix it there now. Firstly, he has placed the piece of kadappa and thereafter he is putting sand and cement mixture over it, and after that he will place the granite piece over it. He is checking the level of granite piece now. He is fixing kadappa piece firstly with the help of cement. Now he is putting cement soaked in water, pure cement, and then over it he is going to place the granite piece so that it can be fixed properly. Now he is going to place the piece of granite over it and will adjust the level accordingly. So friends, you have seen how skillfully Mistri has shifted sink 6 inches in the front and covered the 6 inches gap at the back side with the help of kadappa and granite piece, sealing the gap to avoid the seepage of water. Cleaning is next to godliness. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video till end. Friends, do like, share, subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.